Hello there, welcome back to the Java and Android series tutorial videos. We are still in the looping and the loops in the Java and the conditional statements. This video will illustrate the Java do while and while do loop. Prerequisite for this video is to prepare yourself and your machine for the Java and Eclipse installed in it. Create projects and packages in the classes, working in the classes, and know how to input and output, the methods of input and output. If a statement is also one of the important statement for conditional statement and nested if. Java switch keys also, it's good information for you to know it. Let's start our video, and you can watch all these videos. It's on the screen right now and will disappear when we start our do while and while do statement in Java. You can also visit and subscribe to Ahmos channel, and also you have a Java and Android tutorial playlist. You can watch all the videos we talk about it. The while do is actually two kinds of looping. One of them will be the do while and the other is the while do. The difference between them that you enter the do loop without asking any question, and you start executing the code inside it. Then the counter will be increased until the counter reaches a certain value. The loop will be ended. And the while do is you enter this loop by asking a question, and the question is a condition. Is the counter smaller than 12 or than x? So if it's okay, you will go and the countering will start inside the loop till it reach a certain value and get out from the loop. These loops can be endless if there is a wrong statement in the condition or unwanted statement in the condition, so it can be endless loops. All these loops also can be terminated, as we talk in the Java switch case. You have something called the break. The break is here you can break the loop, but actually you don't break the loop by the syntax break. You add if condition to break the loop. So let's go and now start with these two loops. And in our example right now, we have a class that we created with a void main. This means that this one will run first when you run this code. The counter starts with 1, and as we talk that this loop you get inside it without asking any question. So you will get here and start to print the first countering 1 till the 12, and after that this loop will be ended. And let's see the other loop, the while loop, which need a question. Our question right now is, we call it OR. I mean, if the counter equal 12 and the counter is still, or the counter is still smaller than 0, so this option, this is an OR. This is an OR condition. Any one of these options will let you get inside the loop. So when the counter is 12, you will get, this is the first key to get inside the loop, and after that the counter will be to 11. So, but still the counter is greater than 0, so the loop will continue till the counter reach 0. So let's start this program and check. Actually the output will be for the first loop that the counter is equal 1, and start the loop till the counter increase 2, 3, 4 till increase to 12, and after that the counter here in this point will be 13. And when we start while, here the condition that the counter is greater after executing this. I will show you something. If just we change the place of the print and add it after the counter, you will get a different value, and the 13 will be appear here. So see this, because actually the counter is 1 and the counter increased before the printing. So for that reason this loop ended at the 13. So you need to be careful in adding this. Also in this case, if you change the condition, you may have an if it's, see, if let's remove the or and let this be equal or smaller. Let's see what is this. So this is what I talk about. This is the endless loop. This is the endless loop. It will end, but just wait, because this will be ended after you reach the last counting for an integer, because as we said, this is an integer. So maybe 6, 5, 0, 0, 0, 0, whatever the biggest integer that Java can handle. So take care about this. By the way, if you have a looping like this, you can just stopping by terminating the program. We force the program to stop, and actually we have 2,731,000, and this is a very big number. We reach it very quickly. So don't add a wrong condition, because a wrong condition may get you in a endless loop. That's all about the while and the do while. Actually, there's nothing to say while do, but actually it's a do while and the while, just a while. But it's a terminology that we use it to say the do while and while do. Please subscribe to Ahmos Guide, and also check the Java Android tutorial series, and thank you for watching this video.